give me that money.
Welcome to Millionaire Minute with Keith Singer, the president of Singer Wealth Advisors. Keith, many retirees are relying on the stock market to fund their retirement income, but we know these markets are not always predictable. So how are you helping the retirees make these returns as predictable as possible?
Well, you're right, they're not predictable, and the stock market may average 8 or 9% per year over long periods of time, but it's not kicking off 8% income, and it doesn't make that every year. So some years you make a lot of money, some years you lose money, some decades you lose money. But I have great news for retirees. If you're craving predictability and security, major banks like Chase and Citibank, they're offering structured notes that will pay you out 8 to 9% each year. And these notes are linked to the major indexes like the S&P 500, the Russell, and the Dow. So each quarter, if none of the major indexes are down more than 30%, as an investor, you're going to get your coupon. At the end of the term, usually 4 to 5 years, if the major indexes are not down more than 40% from 4 to 5 years earlier, you're going to get back 100% of your principal. And even if the markets don't do well over the next 5 years, you're still going to get your 8 to 9% per year. Those returns are, in fact, are greater than the S&P has averaged since the year 2000. So if you want high levels of predictable income, even if the stock market isn't doing that well, this could be a fantastic strategy for you to implement to create some income and more predictability.
Absolutely great information for people about to retire, Keith. How can people learn more about your program?
We created a free report on structured notes. There's some great uses to increase your returns and decrease your risk or create predictable levels of income. You can text the word notes to 954-462-3300 to download your free report. Or you can call our office at 866-WEALTHY, ask to speak to one of our advisors, and have them answer any questions that you have.
Thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching this week's Millionaire Minute.